Willkommen zur Lektion über syllable breakdown and pronunciation in German. If you break down words into their syllables, it will make pronunciation much easier. So let's try. As a technique, I suggest you to clap for each syllable, but if you are not able to clap, just imagine the process between each syllables. Just notice dear how the syllable break happens between a consonant and the vowel. Take the hello in German. It will be hallo. Take the word apfel for apple. Next, Vogel. Vogel for bird. Having only a single syllable means only one vowel sound. Tisch for a table. Blume for a flower. Blume. Schokolade for a chocolate. Banane. Banane. Universität. Tasche. One word syllable. Hund. Last one, Lampe. Thank you for watching.